So I just gave all this a bit of a clean up with a flat sharpening stone. The rest of that, most of the gasket stain off, so that side's pretty well ready to go. Gave the valves a clean. That took a lot to clean that exhaust valve, and even now still a bit of build up on the face of it, but it's just gonna have to do. So I gave them a clean up, especially that exhaust port focuses, so it's a lot cleaner. And I end up giving the valves gave them a lap, especially this exhaust one. There was a lot of debris on the face of it, so yeah. Just gave this surface a bit of a hit with the sharpening stone as well. So one thing I did notice, I was been watching videos, and the Briggs & Stratton, I can't remember the model, it's probably 15 years old, almost the exact same design here, so the gasket doesn't get clamped down properly, so it allows blow by to pressurise a crankcase, which in then turn blows oil into the combustion chamber. So I'm wondering if that's possibly the cause. Don't know. Hopefully that head gasket will be here this week with the intake seal, so I can throw it all back together, start it up and give it a go. You can see here like how it's sort of burnt. I don't know if it's really showing it up on the camera too well, but yeah, like that leading edge looks like it's burnt, so don't know. Don't know if that's the cause of it, but I'll throw it all back together and give it a clean up, give it a start. If it's still blowing smoke, then I'll just buy a new replacement one at tax time and rebuild this one, I guess, when I get the time. Yeah, so it's all basically ready to go. I'll probably put the exhaust side back together, waiting on the intake valve seal and the head gasket, which should be here this week hopefully, but I've been hearing that for 8 weeks. But yeah, other than that, it's all cleaned up, ready to go basically. So yeah, nothing else to really talk about till I get parts for that, so yeah, catch you later.